In this Sturppy review, I'm going to walk you through the software. I'm going to show you everything you need to know step by step. So what is actually Sturppy? Sturppy lets you create a financial model for your startup and share business forecast with both your team and investor. You can actually build investor-ready financial model within 20 minutes. You can also create hiring plans, equality cap table plus tweak model based on your new growth idea and investor questions. So who's actually suitable for Sturppy? Sturppy is actually suitable for startups, small business founder raising funds and planning their growth and expansion. So without wasting much time, let me show you the platform itself. What you're actually looking at is actually the Sturppy dashboard. On the left, you can actually see some navigations, home, acquisition, revenue, expenses, assumption, statements, KPI, valuation, cap table, investor prep, and project. For the very first thing you need to do is create your project. Let's take this example as I'm going to build a cafe. Let me just put in my project name as cafe and then you press next. Okay, so what is your business model? What the type of business you choose will help us better configure the onboarding and the platform you specifically need. So you can actually have your business model. You just go on down. You will actually have business model for SaaS, apps, e-commerce, agency, course, marketplace, manufacturing, or other / physical store. So for this cafe, I just choose physical store, and then you just press complete. Okay, so just wait for them. So welcome to Sturppy. Complete this step and build your investor-ready model. So all these things is actually step by steps. Okay. In any case, if you can see, there's actually a progress bar over here and some helpful resources like tutorial documentation, startup dictionary, Sturppy YouTube channel, or Sturppy blogs itself. Okay. So for the start, I will just need to click into this. Okay, you need to add your acquisition channel itself. So you can actually see how do you plan to acquire your customer. So just click into that. Okay, so once you click into that, there's actually a 1-minute video about what is this channel all about and how to add them. Okay, actually, if you want to know further, you can actually watch the YouTube video. Okay, once you're done, click next, and then how are you going to acquire your customer? All financial project should be based on customer growth. Okay, so here we just set one of your traffic source. You will be able to add more or edit with more details later on. So for this, I will just take organic marketing, or you can actually use paid marketing or sales driven. Okay, so I'll just use organic marketing since it's actually a cafe. Okay, so over here you can actually see, tell me a bit about your marketing strategy. For now, we have just created one acquisition channel. You'll be able to add more later on and mix and match different type of acquisition channel. So all you need to do is just to add in your average number of total unique visitors on your website per month. This may come from social media, blogs, or word of mouth SEO. So organic traffic. So you can just give a range. Okay, maybe I'll just put 1,000. Okay, so from there the graph is actually populated out. So once you're done, you just press complete. Okay, so the next step is actually add your revenue stream. Okay, you can add your pricing plan and additional way you plan to make money. Okay, just click into that. Okay, so there's actually a 1-minute video on how to add your revenue stream. Alright, so you can actually watch it. So over here you can actually create a new revenue stream. You can actually enter the name of new revenue stream and actually select one of the monetization model. So for this demo, I will just put in demo 1, and then I will just select marketplace. This is a demo, so you can actually go through, play around whether it's a subscription, e-commerce, marketplace, manufacturing, customs, email purchase, or ad revenue. I will just choose marketplace for this demo. So we can actually add in the conversion rate. Maybe let me just choose 5% for this conversion rate, and the participation fee maybe also another $5. Alright, so you can actually see the graph is actually populated out automatically. Alright, so of course this demo, so you can actually input the actual numbers and the participation fees as well. Okay, so once you're done, press next. Okay, so let's configure the buyer. These buyers are those that register on your platform in order to buy a product or a service. For instance, in the same examples, Airbnb, the buyer are those who book and pay a home that makes available by a seller. So you can actually add in a conversion rate. Maybe I just add in 5, and then your average order value in terms of dollar, maybe just put $5, and the platform fee is maybe 50 cents, so 0.5, okay, 0.5%, okay. So you can actually see the graph is actually automated, populated out. Once it's done, press so the next step, okay, so right now your progress, you have actually have 5 steps left, okay. So let me carry on adding your expenses, okay, a quick 1-minute video, go through it, and then press next, and then tell us something about your COGS. These are the costs directly linked to the selling of a product. For digital or service business, they are often small costs. For now, just add a few. You will be able to add and remove and change them later on. So you can actually add in cost of revenue. Maybe you just put in $100. So in any case, if you want more, press the plus sign here. So if you want, you can actually add in more here. So you can actually add in more cost, okay? So for this demo, I will just press next, alright? So, and now your SG&A expenses. These are selling and general administrator expenses. So for now, you can enter a few. You will always be able to add, remove, change them later on. So this is actually like the administration expenses, selling and general. Any extra, or you do not have any of them, you can just cancel it or add in, okay. So you can actually add in all the costs of all these things. Maybe I just randomly put in maybe 100 or maybe 10, okay, for this. Maybe I just add in one more, so you can actually see the graph actually change, you see, or the graph actually change in terms of color. You see, this is actually, the top one is actually telephone and internet, the middle one is actually external service, so the office is actually 100. So the graph will change automatically based on the color code over here, okay, on the bottom right here. So once you're done adding all the costs, press next. Okay, so how about your team? We will show you how to quickly create one employee. You can actually add them all the ones you want on your own. You can actually enter a position you want. If you don't have employee, just enter yourself. So employee 1, you can actually start count as 1. Okay, once it's done, press next. Okay, let's configure the salary. Enter the cost of employee paid by the company, include taxes and bonuses. Also pay them extra like commissions. You can add them as SG&A or COGS. So your monthly salary is 2,000. So the graph is actually populated out. Alright. So just press next. And finally, the hiring rules for the role you just added. With Sturppy, you can easily create a hiring plan for every position in business. Okay. Click on the 3 dots. You will see how easily it is to create a hiring plan. You can actually skip these steps as well. Okay. So you can actually skip the steps on how your hiring plan is. Okay. For this demo, I just press next. And finally, let's configure the CapEx itself. Okay, CAPEX, capital expenditures. And all the equipments that you need to purchase before launching your startup, like computer, desk, or even softwares. Okay, maybe for this, you can actually add in more, you can actually minus off. Okay, so once the graph is super populated, everything is done, press complete. All right. So now set up your cap table. Okay, just click into this. Just a 1 quick minute video. Press next. So investment round. So you can actually enter the name of this round. Okay, maybe just follow this example, founding, and then you can actually press next. Okay, what kind of rounding are you planning to raise? Founding, convertible notes or price round? Okay, I will just set it as the initial cap table with the founding theme of your business. Okay, so founding total common stock. Enter the name of authorized share. Maybe just put in the total authorized share, and then enter the par value of each share. Okay, so once you enter all these things, just press next. Then you actually see the number of founder. So you can actually put in the equality. Maybe I just put in 50, and this guy will be another 50. So it's equal share. All right. So you choose the common stock, the initial investment as well. You can actually put in the investment 1,000. Just for this demo, I'll just put in 1,000. Okay. So after that, you press next. Okay. So employee stocks auction, you can actually add in the employee stock auction, and then you can actually press complete. Okay. Once all these are done, you can actually go on to the next step. Okay. So you can either go back to home, and then you can actually prepare to pitch. Okay. So you can actually add your branding to your model, and actually investor prep. And then you can actually invite a colleague or share it with a mentor. Okay, let me just go through from this. So Sturppy also prepare some questions and answer for you. So you can actually take a look, you flip, then they actually prepare your answers over here. Okay, actually invite a colleague to share your project. So you can actually give them invitation, and once you actually add in, you can actually add in here, and then once you're done, you can actually save. Okay, so in the home itself, you can actually see all the inputs you actually enter earlier on. Okay, so if you want to create a new project, go ahead and click this, and then you have actually a new project as well. Basically, this is actually a short demo showing you how actually Sturppy works itself. Alright, so this is actually a appsumo deal. Let me show you the deal itself right now. And at tier 1 it's actually $49. All features actually included. You actually have 5 user, 8 internet project. Or for tier 2 is actually all feature included, unlimited user and unlimited internet project. Okay, so for this is actually a alternative product called Life Plan. Life Plan is actually a monthly charges. Since you're actually a startup and you want to reduce your cost, I will actually strongly suggest you take up this Sturppy itself. Okay, so you actually reduce your cost, and this is actually a one-time purchase and a lifetime deal of 89 or 49. So for this plan, I actually strongly suggest you to get this $89 plan because it's actually unlimited. Okay, so if you are interested in buying Sturppy, go ahead and use my link in the description box, and then I will earn affiliate commission, but it will not affect your price of $49 or $89 at all. Okay, and then this comes to my end of time demo for this Sturppy itself. Okay, so if you want to watch more of the software review, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and add the notification bell also. Okay, so to the next review, I will see you. Take care. Goodbye.